I am revising everything, all these 7 points, and it will be really helpful for all the candidates who are giving exams in IELTS or Viva Voki. First thing, body language. Whenever you are sitting, you have to be sit like this. It has to be straight. It has to be smart. Your confidence has to be in your sitting. Okay. No nervous signs. Okay. If you feel nervous, if you show your nervousness, then it will give negative impact, and of course it will degrade your band discourse in your speaking. So no nervous signs, no sweating, no having tensions. Okay. Just to the point. Just be formal and just be smart. The second thing, humble. Whenever you are giving answers, no rough words. Okay, no egoistic words. No using those words which can give you some negative impact. Suppose you are saying what, tell again. So whenever you are, giving this type of replies, and it will really make you negative, and of course it will degrade your band score. So you have to be humble. You have to be requestive. Okay, so it will make you in a good positions as far as the band score is concerned. The third thing is, of course, formal. You have to be formal. If it's about IELTS or if it's about any Viva Voki, your formality is really important. From your dressing sense to your word usings to your sounds to your attitude, everything has to be in a formal way. Okay? Because formality really increases anyone's personality, anyone's band scores, or anyone's markings as far as the speaking is concerned. The fourth part is no short words. Okay. Whenever you are giving answers, it has to be in a sentence. You cannot use one word answers. If you use one word answers, then your band score will be low. Whatever the question is, you have to understand that question and you have to give your answers in a sentence. Now, number five is pointy, no inappropriate word, and this is really important. Whenever you are giving answers, you have to know that your answers has to be pointy or your answers has to be to the point. You cannot use unnecessary, unimportant words, okay? Because this is really dangerous for your answers. First of all, you have to hear the question, then you have to understand the question, and then you have to answer to the point. Now, point number six, varieties. Of course, you cannot use one word again and again and again. It will really it will really feel you, and also it will feel the environment as boring. Okay, you cannot use one word again and again. So you have to use variation of words. So you can work out about the synonyms of those words, and you have to be really good at synonyms, using synonyms. But again, you have to understand one important fact, and that is whenever you are using variations, the logicality has to be there. Okay, the logical vibes has to be there. You cannot use words that is not connected to the question. Okay, this is your freedom that you can use any word, but your word has to be pointy, your words has to be to the context, and of course your variations must be there. And the last point is sound. I'm saying again that you have to use sounds that is familiar to the context, and of course that is as per the standards. Okay, you cannot use sounds that is looking odd, or that is sounding odd, because all these things really matters for achieving the good band discourse. And if you follow these tips and tricks, if you follow these notes, then I hope that your band discourse will be absolutely high. And it's not about just IELTS. In your every Viva exams, these seven tips and tricks and these seven directions will really help you to boost your scores, to boost your band scores. And again, in your personal life, it will really boost your personalities also. Okay.